Hi guys, my name is Brian, founder of Seconia Original. Today I'm here to share with you how to use the Moonphase function on a Tidal Moonphase watch. So what is a Moonphase function? A Moonphase function basically tells you what phase of the moon it is every night. So meaning that if you see a full moon in the sky tonight, it will be a full moon on the watch as well. So since the moon takes about 29.5 days to revolve around the Earth, this Moonphase function has 59 gears in it that will track that. How does it do that? Each day, the 59 gear would tick once, and in 2 moon cycles, it would tick 1 complete revolution. And the way you would set that on a Tidal Moonphase watch is actually quite simple. So in order to set the Moonphase function accurately on your Tidal Moonphase, you have to know what phase of the moon it is first. So say it's the full moon tonight. What you have to do is to shift this moon on the Tidal Moonphase watch to the middle. And because there is no quick change function on our Tidal Moonphase watch, you have to do it day by day. So you pull the crown out twice, so you feel 2 clicks, and then you just start spinning the watch. If it's a full moon cycle and it's first quarter on the Tidal Moonphase watch right now, you have to spin about 7 24-hour cycle. So if you just spin it right now, so yeah, now that I've spun the watch 7 times 24-hour cycle, the moon right now, as you can see, is in the middle. So this, after setting it once, you don't ever have to set it again because it will just tick forward 1 day at a time as the moon phase changes. So this is how you use the Moonphase function on Tidal Moonphase. If you need any more tutorials on how to use a Tidal Moonphase watch or how to operate a watch, please visit our website or our YouTube channel. Thank you.